If you're looking for an AI art tool that actually delivers real commercial value, not just pretty visuals, Artistly is one you need to pay attention to. Artistly positions itself as a full all-in-one AI art platform, not just for artwork but for real business use, logos, product mockups, merchandise designs, and fast content creation. And right now, the standout detail is simple. Monthly subscription. $49 for the commercial plan, one time. That alone is worth a look. Here's what makes Artistly different. First, the commercial focus is clear. You can generate print, on-demand mockups instantly. Their AI logo maker actually produces usable logos. And the background editor, along with the Mirror Magic redesign tool, gives you solid control over transforming existing images while keeping the core idea intact. Second, their text handling is impressive. Most AI art tools struggle with text. Artistly doesn't. If you create t-shirt designs, posters, or social media graphics, this is a major advantage. Third, the platform includes face swapping, consistent character generation, and unlimited image creation. No credits. No watermarks. Just generate as much as you want. Now let's keep it real. The pros: Fay Unlimited Image Generation, Fay Strong Commercial Toolkit, Fay Built-in Mockup Generator, Fay Reliable Text Rendering, Fay One-Time Payment, Fay HD Downloads, Plus Commercial License, Fay Beginner Friendly Interface. The cons: Fay Lifetime Deal, Won't Last. Fay Interface is more commercial than artistic. Fay Some premium features are locked behind the higher tier. Fay Not the best. For purely artistic exploration in actual use, Artistly is fast, intuitive, and practical. You can go from prompt to final mockup in a few clicks. The text generator is the real highlight. It works better than most competitors. And if you're doing print, on demand, or social content, that alone saves you a lot of time. Here is the pricing breakdown. Commercial plan: Fay $49, one time, Fay Image Generation, Fay Commercial License, Fay HD Downloads, Fay Community Access. Premium plan: Fay $147, one time. Fay Everything in Commercial. Fay Consistent Character, Fay Face Switching, Fay Perfect Text Rendering, Fay Human in Painting, Fay Faster Generation, Fay 4 images per prompt. And if you want a discount, click the link in the video description to grab an excellent coupon before the deal ends. Who is Artistly for? Print, on-demand sellers, social media marketers, designers, content creators. Anyone who needs visual assets fast and wants to actually monetize their work. Artistly isn't trying to be the ultimate artistic tool. It's built for practical, commercial output, and it does that extremely well. If you want a tool that helps you create real products, designs, and branded visuals, the lifetime deal is absolutely worth checking out before it disappears.